This is the Pop 7 Pro, and I am really impressed with what Tecno did on this device by bringing lots of features to a device less than $100 or 65,000 naira, which includes more RAM, more storage with a Type-C charging port, and an affordable price. What's up guys, it's Michael, and entry level devices and plastic devices are friends, which the Pop 7 Pro is not an exception to this fact. The design is not so different from what is in the market currently and from what they have made in the past. This looks like a more recycled design with a new name. I am not surprised by this device coming with an ancient of days water drop notch, which is outdated in 2023 and doesn't look like a modern device from the front. But that doesn't mean that the 720p LCD display isn't good. It is, but it is not best for outdoor usage, and watching content is not bad on this display. Don't get your hopes high because this device doesn't have a high refresh rate. On the left, we have the card tray that houses dual 4G Nano-SIM. On the right, we have the volume rockers and the power button. At the top, we have nothing. At the bottom, we have the mono speaker, headphone jack, mic, and the Type-C charging port. If you are getting useful information so far on this video, kindly hit on the subscribe button below. For its price, which is 65,000 naira or around $86 or 7,000 Indian rupees, you will get the only variant of this device, which is 3GB of RAM paired with 64GB of internal storage, which is expandable through the SD card slot on the card tray. And also we have memory fusion on this device, which you can get up to 3GB extra RAM, which is also known as virtual RAM. This device doesn't run on the latest version of Android but the previous gen, which is Android 12 Go edition with HIOS 12 custom skin, which will surely get ads and bloatware, which is the way Tecno uses to reduce price to what I mentioned earlier in this video, and the experience is not smooth. This device is being run on a 12nm Helio A22 chipset by Mediatek, which is good to run on a entry level device like the Pop 7 Pro. Very good at basic tasks, no heavy apps needed, light gaming, and it is perfect for people who are not always using their device and don't care about the performance. All they want to do is TikTok, Facebook, and WhatsApp, which 2 out of the 3 apps I mentioned have the light version, which is better for this device. The camera on this device looks similar to the ones on the Packet C released by the brand, which houses a 13MP dual camera setup and a selfie camera which takes entry level style photos and videos. What's up guys, it's Michael. So this is the front facing camera test on the Tecno Pop 7 Pro, currently shooting at 30 frames at 1080p. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about the video quality and the audio quality. Yeah, also there's no image stabilization on the front facing camera and the rear facing camera, which you are going to be seeing very soon. Yeah, so let me know. This is a rear facing camera test on the Tecno Pop 7 Pro, which is currently shooting at 30 frames per second in 1080p. So yeah, you can see there's no form of image stabilization. So yeah, this is what you get on an entry level device. Even with the Pop 7 Pro housing a 5000 mAh battery, this device doesn't weigh much to it, which it takes this device about 2.5 hours for this device to fully charge from 0 to 100% through the Type-C charging port and the included 10W power brick. One thing I'll tell you about this device is that if it dies totally, it will take ages before you can juice it up to a usable percentage. If you notice, when I was talking about the port and I/O on this device, I didn't talk about the fingerprint sensor because it isn't located at the side but at the back where the camera bump is, and to me it is a bit high for my small hand, which this device has an okay unlocking speed. Not to forget, we have the regular pin pattern and password as more ways to unlock this device. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, kindly hit on the subscribe button below, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you on the video showing on your screen right now. Peace. Psych!